In today's interconnected global economy, businesses often operate across borders, engaging with international clients, partners, and employees. For companies utilizing cloud-based financial management software like Sage Intacct, the ability to work in multiple languages is not just a convenience, it's a fundamental requirement for seamless operations and effective collaboration. So, for businesses considering or already using this powerful platform, a crucial question arises. What languages does Sage Intacct support? Understanding Sage Intacct's language capabilities is vital for ensuring that all stakeholders can interact with the system comfortably and efficiently. Imagine a scenario where your finance team in France needs to process invoices, while your sales team in Brazil needs to access financial reports. If the software only operates in English, it can create significant hurdles, leading to misunderstandings, errors, and decreased productivity. Currently, Sage Intacct offers support for a core set of languages, primarily focusing on those most commonly used in international business. As of my last knowledge update, these languages include English. This is the base language of the system and is fully supported across all modules and functionalities. French. Sage Intacct provides a comprehensive French language interface, catering to businesses operating in French-speaking regions. Spanish. With a significant global presence, Spanish is another key language supported by Sage Intacct, enabling Spanish-speaking users to navigate the system with ease. It's important to note that while these are the primary languages with full interface translation, Sage Intacct also offers features that can accommodate multilingual data entry and reporting. For instance, users can typically input data in various languages, even if the core interface language is different. This is crucial for recording transactions with international clients or vendors who might use different languages in their documentation. Furthermore, Sage Intacct's reporting capabilities often allow for the generation of reports that can incorporate data in multiple languages. While the report interface itself might be in one of the supported languages, the underlying data, such as customer names or product descriptions, can reflect the original language in which it was entered. This ensures that reports are accurate and understandable for all relevant parties. However, it's equally important to understand the nuances of language support in a complex financial management system. Full language support typically means that the entire user interface, including menus, labels, help text, and error messages, is translated into the respective language. This provides a truly localized experience for users. While Sage Intacct focuses on providing a high-quality experience in its supported languages, the extent of translation might vary across different modules or specific functionalities. It's always advisable to consult the official Sage Intacct documentation or speak with their sales or support teams for the most up-to-date and detailed information regarding language support for specific features you intend to use. The landscape of language support in software is constantly evolving. As Sage Intacct continues to expand its global reach, it's likely that the number of supported languages may increase over time. Staying informed about these updates is crucial for businesses with international operations or plans for global expansion. For businesses evaluating Sage Intacct, understanding the current language support is a key factor in the decision-making process. If your primary users operate in languages not currently fully supported, you'll need to consider the implications for user adoption, training, and overall efficiency. While data entry in other languages might be possible, the lack of a fully translated interface could present challenges for some users.